You're paying for the damages, I swear. Hi guys, at school, posted up at school.
Hi guys, I'm cold.
We got egos now.
Oh, do a food haul. Guys, do a food haul.
Okay, so first
School
we
lunch vibes.
got syrup.
Don't drop it on the
Smells like shit. And then we have some, what are they?
Egos.
Cinnamon mini waffles.
Egos.
And then we got some orange tangerine juice. And that's the haul.
And Jessica got the same thing.
We got apple juice. I mean orange.
Keep the handshake.
Oh my god, what is so much?
It's so cold. Here.
It's so cold, it's like 50 degrees. Everybody who doesn't live in California is gonna be like, what the fuck are you guys talking about?
Wait. It's 53 degrees.
I feel like this is like summer in some other places and we're over here like, ugh.
Fit check. Can we do fit check? Emmy's fit check.
Oh, me?
Yeah, because your outfit kind of...
Justin Bieber merch because I want to go see Justin Bieber. And we have a skirt. What? Oh no! The syrup went on my shirt!
No! And then she didn't bring a backpack. She bought
Oh, did it get
Justin
on you?
Bieber bag.
Did it get on you? That shit ain't
Fit
good.
check. Okay, fit check, Jessica.
We'll bleep it out. We'll bleep it out.
She'll bleep it out. Cover the beat. Hey, she's wearing school.
Oh shit.
School merch.
I'm just gonna like you.
And then I'm wearing.
Oh, here, I'll record you.
I'm wearing.
Period. Merch. I mean, not merch. I'm wearing merch. I'm stupid. Sorry. We're all wearing merch except for Sochi. That wasn't
Merch.
English. Do you want my waffles, Sochi?
Oh, I want to try one.
Do you want them? Like all of them? Here, I don't want any of
We
them.
be spilling.
I'm kind of full.
Oh, they're warm. You're full? They're kind of good.
It doesn't give me orange, like.
I spill like half my juice, bro. Wait. So do I take Jessica's? Wait, minutes to eat, so.
Oh, she's just a poke.
Let me come into the frame.
Hey guys.
Mood, I was like, you have something in your hair, but it's the tie.
It's a rubber band. Fetch reward. Don't get syrup on my phone, Jessica.
She's like, a little drizzle moment. It's totally gonna drip, bruh. Jessica, how do you feel that it's gonna be your last year?
Scared.
This is so good.
No, it's not. It's literally dry.
What do you mean?
Lily put syrup.
I did, and it was hella dry. We're gonna go now because we have class or whatever. Say bye. Shut up. Say bye, Sochi. Say bye, Jessica. Say bye. Hi, Sochi. Guys, hi. Hi.
Kids.
No! We're gonna get it soon. Video.
Hi guys. There was somebody. Anyways. Do you want to go to another one?
Yeah.
Okay, so literally, it's not that we like hate that the school made a gender neutral bathroom. It's that people take advantage and they use it to smoke. Like
I'm gender fluid. It's not like I hate myself, but I just hate that people are misusing it. Like people just trying to
they
piss.
take advantage of it.
There's like
And
20 people in there.
That's messed up. That's messed up. Because you go in there, there's people that are actually gender neutral, and they're like, we can't even use the bathroom because there's like smokers in there.
Yeah, and it's like 20 people.
It's not even one person.
It's like 20. You go in there and there's like a whole crowd of people, which I think is absurd. Y'all can smoke at your house.
Y'all
can do your illegal
kill
activity.
your lungs, but don't kill mine.
Literally, I'm just trying to piss and go.
Literally.
So now we're going to another bathroom. There's so many people. Here, take a bath.
Anyways, we're new to this vlogging life, and
why are we going to the bathroom all the way over here?
we already skipped it.
We literally, where are we going? So we were gonna go to another bathroom, but now we're across the campus. Okay. Oh shit, there's someone behind us.
I was about to say your city too. Oh, look at the cute.
I think we recorded that whole thing wrong because the recording thing has to be up here or else it's bad.
Anyways, it's multicultural week.
Oh shit, I almost dropped the phone. Oh shit.
Oh, should we go around? Who cares? We have a pass.
Who cares? We have a pass.
No, we're gonna see them practice. They're practicing right now.
We're gonna make them nervous. Yo, look.
Oh,
Keep the JB merch.
They're going off.
So it's multicultural week at our school.
And we're seeing these girls go off. They're
And our
killing
school's
it.
pretty white, but
Can't relate.
the
I wish I did.
the multicultural people we have here are amazing. Multicultural. Does that make sense? I don't know. English is my first language. So yeah, we're gonna come watch them perform tomorrow.
Okay. We keep passing people and they keep looking at us like we're crazy.
We are crazy,
Lucky.
but in a good way.
Guys, I already know one day we're gonna become famous. Flashback.
Never becomes famous.
Gets one view. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about us. We're seniors. We're seniors. We go to a public high school
No, it's a private.
in California.
No,
We're not
we
gonna
live in Kentucky.
we're not gonna name the city or anything, but California's huge.
Don't try
So
and find us. I will literally come myself.
period.
Oh shit.
And our school's pretty okay.
It's pretty white.
Yeah, it's more white. Yeah, literally. Mood. It's not like we're the only Hispanics, but like,
But like we're pretty limited.
yeah, literally. Anyways, we're going back to
We
class.
have to leave now
After that-
in
After that 10-minute walk to the bathroom.
there.
Bye.
I'm just gonna be like, what the Okay, bye guys.
She didn't get put as tardy.
You didn't get put as Oh well, yeah, it's an absence.
No. Well, yeah, I told her.
Let me not record this part.
Okay, guys, we're over here in class, posted up. Favorite period of the day, 5th period.
I can't. Okay, can I copy your notes?
Yeah.
That's plagiarism. Got you on camera.
It.
Plagiarism. Y'all heard it here.
Anyways, today we're mood. I thought I lost my notebook. I was like, but I found it.
Do you have glitter on? You look sparkly.
Okay, you give 10. You give 10.
You're just
You look sparkly. Yeah, see, that's what I meant. I like turned and I saw
Oh yeah,
sparkles.
I see.
Maybe stupid dress that's still
Yeah,
on
I was
me.
about to say.
You have a dress on you?
Her prom dress.
Oh. What if I'm gonna go to college and I'm gonna during the day and I'm gonna study English.
Wait,
so
stop.
can be
Should I
English
do a
major,
continuation of last
and then
time's
I'm gonna
video?
go to cosmetology school at night.
No, mami,
pasando.
Stupid podcast. No, actually not stupid podcast. Stupid English. Okay,
He doesn't need to know that all stuff that we do.
Sorry. Third fucking time so just hit me today.
it's because I'm trying to tell her. These are the notes that you have up to here.
Okay.
All of you.
Yes.
Love you too, my friends.
What are you doing? Are you okay? Are you crying or something?
No, she's fixing her makeup.
She's doing her makeup now.
Miss Nabula, do you want to be in my?
Do you want to be in our
She
vlog?
has smooth skin.
Do you want to be in our vlog?
Do you want to be in my vlog? Yeah, we're vlogging.
What's a vlogging?
Wait. Okay, Miss
Miss
Nabula,
Nabula.
our fifth period teacher. Our favorite teacher.
Aww, love you guys too. Love.
Love. Miss Nabula, what subject do you teach?
I teach math and Avid.
Yeah.
How do you feel about teaching those subjects?
I love teaching Avid more than teaching math
Period.
because these kids are with me almost 4 years. And I don't treat them like students, they're family to me.
Aww.
That's why I let them, but I love them. But then sometimes I get mad at them because I want the best for them. And I also want them to be successful. So when Sophia messes up something, we don't take it. So teaching math is fun too, but it's not the same because I just teach the content and I move on. But with you, I don't move on.
Yeah, my least favorite subject.
I have to make sure that you are there, present, and also street smart. You gotta be street smart.
Yeah.
So love you guys.
Love. Love you. Much love.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Sam, for the input. That was our Avid teacher for you. She's a legend in the making. Oh, Emmy, should I do a continuation of? Okay, guys, it's March 3rd. March
2022 and
How are you feeling?
pretty good, pretty good. You know,
She didn't make it in last video. I had to put her in.
I'm new. Hey guys, it's Marissa. Guys, I went to the JV concert yesterday, so
You went to the JV? Emmy went to it.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, we all went. Everybody there
Except me. Were you in front?
No, I wish. I got my tickets like literally the day before.
Oh.
Yeah, I did not have mine, and then like,
Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, go ahead.
we're gonna go to Target and we're gonna visit Lil Jaime.
Okay, guys. We got Elizabeth. Who else? Dominic, we're making a video. Do you want to be in my video? It's just one question. Yeah? Okay, it's March 3rd. How's your day going, Dominic?
Good.
Yeah? Like, what's new?
Nothing. Baseball.
Period. Paul, do you want to be in our video? Do you have consent to be in our video?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, it's one question. How's your day going today, Paul?
Going.
It's going? Yeah? Anything new?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm gonna put post notifications on.
Period. She's subscribing. Period. I'm just gonna ask you a question. Okay, we're here. It's March 3rd. How's your day going?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Anything new?
Not really.
No? How's class?
It's alright.
Okay, good. Bye, Rohit. Yes. Yeah? Okay, it's just one question. How are you guys doing?
Good. Doing so good.
Great.
We are thriving here.
I got the whole class. What's new with you guys? What's new with you guys?
You know, I got like this booking in New York. I'm just kidding.
Oh, college. College.
Oh, yeah, college.
College.
We got into Stanford. Yeah.
You're lying.
Yeah, we did. We're going. We're committed.
No, okay, no, what college did you guys? What college did you guys?
San Jose State, Chico, and
Chico State, Oregon State.
For real?
Yeah.
Period. What about you?
Same.
Chico,
All of us.
Chico.
Oregon State, and then I didn't apply to San Jose State, but did you apply?
No.
She got into San Jose State.
And do you guys know where you guys are going?
I'm still waiting for San Diego, and then I'm also waiting for Davis.
Cal
Poly.
Didn't Cal Poly come out? No. Oh, that's what I thought I heard somebody say it's coming out. Yeah. When is it coming out?
We're done then.
When is it?
Like 2 weeks.
Dang, good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna say bye now.
Bye. I have no lashes. Holy.
Huh? No lashes?
I also don't have makeup on. Today's like bare face.
I'm wearing makeup
Don't
today.
say bye.
Don't say bye.
Okay, there's Emmy. Okay, bye now. I'm gonna go in my eye. Take picture? Take picture? Oh, here's Ceci.
Bye, guys. It was a fun video. Oh, wait.
What? No, I already said bye.
Oh, did you say bye?
Yeah, bye guys.
Did you guys say bye?
Yeah.
Period. Okay, bye, guys.